Welcome to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial video. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can log out from your Facebook. It's pretty simple, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit that subscribe to our channel and let's move on. First step, you want to click on the Facebook menu icon at the bottom right of your screen. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you to your Facebook's menu. Now once you're in Facebook's menu, scroll all the way down at the bottom until you see this logout button. Click on logout and click on this red logout button. It's just confirming whether you want to log out for sure or not. We are sure, so click on logout, and just like this you will be logged out from your Facebook, but your profile is still going to be saved on this device just like this. Now to remove the profile, you want to click on the setting icon at the top right of your screen, and on setting you want to choose the account which you want to remove from this device. So wait for some time until the profile loads up over here, and once the profile loads up over here, choose the one which you want to remove. So for me, I want to remove Vichy Kevin from this device, so just click on the name and click on remove profile and then click on remove. Once you do that, your Facebook profile will be removed from your device as well. And that's when you guys have completely logged out from your Facebook on a device. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time.